Alright guys, it's currently 10:17 and I have to go to work right now. Currently running late, so I have to be there by 11. So let's hop in the Mustang. This cold start is about to be really nasty right now, I'm not gonna lie. Well, not too crazy honestly. Thought it was gonna be worse. Did drive it like 2-3 hours ago, so it's relatively warm. Like a lot of you guys, the weather is absolutely perfect right now. It's not too cold, it's not too hot, it's perfect. Car sounds so good. We're actually doing pretty okay on timing. We're supposed to be there by 11 o'clock. GPS is saying that we're gonna be there by 10:50, so have no complaints on the timing. I just wanted to get there on time or early. We gotta find parking, that's the problem. I don't want to park in the garage and spend that extra money that I could be spending on mods. Oh, we got somebody blocking us over here. I don't care what anybody says, New York has one of the best skylines in the States, at least. Like, some people try to compare Chicago skyline, and don't get me wrong, it is beautiful, but it doesn't compare to New York. I don't care what anybody says. Jesus, guys, regular gas is at $4.07 at the moment. That's insane. Oh, we got the cops right there. See, there's a big garbage truck over there. It looks like it might be stuck or something. I'm gonna have to go around. So we can right. Let's avoid that. Station, not scrape. I'm not gonna lie, ever since I got these Eibach lowering springs put on, oh my god, this is such a deep. Oh, we're gonna scrape. We're gonna scrape. Oh, we didn't scrape. Ever since we got this lowering springs put on, I've been so worried about scraping everything. And honestly, I'm worried when I get like a lip or if I change the front bumper to the Mach 1, because that's honestly what I would love to do, is get a Mach 1 bumper put on. Ooh, these potholes are crazy, but how to make the light. Sorry guys, but my honest review on the Eibach lowering springs, I love them, 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie to you guys, it does change the drivability of the car a little bit. I mean, obviously, that's what's expected. But a lot of people say it doesn't, but it does. It's not crazy, it's still comfortable, but especially when you change the drive mode. Like, I have it in my mode where the drivability already gets rough, especially with the lowering springs. It's not crazy different from factory, but definitely feel it, because you can feel every little divot in the road. And always cautious now when you're coming out of parking lots and stuff like that. I mean, that's with any lowered car, to be honest, but that's what comes with it. And honestly, I don't regret it. I love them, and I love the look of it. I just can't wait to, honestly, the look of the wheels have honestly grown on me with the car, and it makes me appreciate the car a lot more than I did before. But I still do want to change the wheels. I want a new setup on this car, and I want them to make the car look flush, because I'm tired of the camber too. I need to fix either get a camber bolt, a camber kit. I think that's what it's called. tunnel. Let's see. I mean, you can't really do it. There's too many cars. This thing sounds insane, bro. I love the H-pipe on this car. And honestly, it's not even a full exhaust yet. This thing is insane, bro. Just gotta be careful. Got some alleged speed cameras. I'm telling you guys, I'm pretty sure we have the best skyline. Look at this. How beautiful. I mean, this is just a portion of it. Hey, look over there. Alright guys, this is gonna wrap it up for the video. Arriving to work. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, drop a like, drop a sub. Follow me on all my social medias. And stay tuned for more content like this. And for more updates on the build and everything else. Peace.